So the primary metric is a parameter that determines the metric to be used during the model training for optimization. So for classification, we have a few, and regression and time series, we have a few, but you'll have these task types, and underneath you'll choose the additional configuration, and that's where you can override the primary metric. It might just auto-detect it for you, so you don't have to, because it might sample some of your data set to just kind of guess. But you might have to override it yourself. Just going through some scenarios, and we'll break it down into two categories. So here we have suited for larger data sets that are well balanced. Well balanced means that your data set is evenly distributed. So if you have classifications for A and B, let's say you have 100 and 100, they're well balanced, right? You don't have one data set a subset of your data set much larger than the other that's labeled. So for accuracy, this is great for image classification, sentiment analysis, churn prediction. For average precision score weighted, it's for sentiment analysis. Norm macro recall, churn prediction. For precision score weighted, uncertain as to what that would be good for, maybe sentiment analysis. Suited for smaller data sets that are inbound, so that's where your data set, you might have 10 records for one and 500 for the other on the label. So you have AUC weighted, fraud detection, image classification, anomaly detection, spam detection. Onto regression scenarios, we'll break it down into ranges. So when you have a very wide range, Spearman correlation works really well. R2 score, this is great for airline delay, salary estimation, bug resolution time. When you're looking at smaller ranges, we're talking about normalized root square mean to error, so price predictions, review tip score predictions. For normalized mean absolute error, it's going to be just another one here. They don't give a description. For time series, it's the same thing. It's just in the context of time series, so forecasting, all right?